Error code CA2.
Just to clarify, what device is giving you an error code or message?
Samsung wall oven.
What Samsung model do you have?
NV51K7770SG/AA.
What have you tried so far with your NV51K7770SG/AA?
Replaced cooling motor and lower cooling motor. It was burned out.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. This error means that the cooling fan isn't running up to speed. This could be an issue with your upper oven cooling fan, or the small PCB that controls the fans on the back of the oven.
I've changed the cooling fan and one of the dimol fans in back was burned out. I changed that and still have the error. What is PCB?
Printed circuit board.
Where is that? Could there be an issue with main control board?
The main board is the printed circuit board. Sorry for any confusion.
Tie.
You are very welcome.
Do you have the part number for the main control board?
You can order a replacement using the appliance model number at any local appliance parts supplier.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.